with due to the hard water, what has happened, it's become lots of stains on it. It's not as brand new. So this, if you see a bottom, in front and the side. So now we'll spray on it and see, and then keep it with the same liquid. See here also. Now we'll wait for some time, and as per the advertise, they say that it will become as brand new. So let's hope for that. All the stains will go, that's what they say. Okay. Do it for the shower also. Okay, so we'll keep this waiting for some time and then we'll scrub it. Okay, so now we waited for around 1 minute. Now we'll start scrubbing in. Oh yes, it is going. Working like magic. It is getting clean. Yes, so it's getting clean nicely here. Okay, so we'll see. On top is going. All this is coming out easily.
Yes.
So if you can see, all the stains come out easily with that liquid. You just have to spray it and keep it for 30 to 60 seconds. And easy to remove hard water scales, lime scales. So you have to just spray it and then wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then scrub. This can be used across on taps, tiles, showers and commodes also. So here are the instructions. Spray the liquid directly on the scales and wait for around 30 seconds. So we will do that now. Wow, so now we've just finished this and look at how clean it's come. I just wiped it to show. It's come out very clean. The reflection can be seen so clearly. Everything. So don't forget, you can use this liquid which is there. It's called Wookie, which is available on Amazon. Okay. Thank you.